Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on 1 inch token. Today I want to share with you a very big bullish reversal, a harmonic bullish reversal setup that 1 inch token has completed on the weekly time frame chart. And before this, by the way, 1 inch formed this harmonic bullish reversal shark move back when we have the drop after the month of April 2021. And in the month of May, I shared this idea with my members at the Patreon. And by the way, I'm also sharing different trading ideas here for my members. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I've also shared the link to join me here in the video's description you can find there. Okay, first of all, let me to show you this chart, then I'll take you to the current move of the 1 inch token, how it can start another bullish reversal like it did previously. Now, if we take a look at this chart, at that time when I posted this chart on 22nd of May, it was moving at $3. You can watch here. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line it rallied very well, and it rallied up to $7.73 beyond the sell targets, which I defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this harmonic bullish reversal shark move. And here a slightly bad thing happened, that we slightly moved down below this buying zone, but recovered back very soon. And this very big rally that was more than 150% move that started. Now let's take a look at the current move that I've shared for my members at the Patreon. And that was, I think I shared in the month of December. And here you can see that the price line has formed another harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern on the weekly time frame. And by the way, I shared this chart on 15th of December, and I was not expecting that the price line will break down this support of $2. But if we play the chart, we can see that the price line indeed has broken down this support and moved at the very end of the buying zone. And here we also have another very strong support of $1.60. You can see that previously, even here it worked as a support back in July 2021 when we had this big drop. And before this, the price line moved very close here, but did not test this support here. But here we tested the support back in January 2021. And before this, we had a very strong rejection by this resistance here. That also happened in January 2021. Now, if we switch to the weekly time frame, then right now we can see that we are having a nice accumulation above this support. And if we take a look at the previous touch at this support, that was back in July 2021, the price line just touched this support here and reversed back. And if we take a look at the stochastic, right now the stochastic is again oversold. And right now we have also received the bull cross, like this blue line has crossed up the orange line. That is the buying signal from the oversold zone. Previously we already have received 2 times this bull cross. And when the price line touched previously here in the month of July at this support, and we received the bull cross, then at the first bull cross, this rally was started. Even though we received several bull crosses, not the several, but one bull cross before that from the oversold zone, but we did not touch the support of $1.60 at that time. And when we touched this support and we received this bull cross, we started a very big move. By the way, this was from this bottom, from this down to this high, that was more than 350% big rally. So we can expect another move such like that. However, with targets for this harmonic bullish reversal cipher move that has been formed recently are from $3.35 and goes to $4.43. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.